Welcome back to our channel, car enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the future with the top 5 best dash cams for car 2024. Whether you're a daily commuter or a road trip adventurer, these cutting-edge dash cams will redefine your driving experience. Stay tuned to discover the latest in automotive technology and ensure your safety on the road. We have compared many products and selected only the best products by comparing based on a few criteria and ranked them. We have selected the product considering many factors, importantly user feedback. I put all of the product buying links in the video description. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome content like this, though without any delay. Let's get started. Number 5. REDTIGER F7N 4K Cam. Stay ahead of the curve with the REDTIGER F7N 4K Cam, a cutting-edge dual-camera system designed to capture every moment of your journey in stunning detail. With 4K plus 1080p resolution for both the front and rear cameras, you can be confident that every incident, from accidents to breathtaking scenery, will be recorded in crystal-clear clarity. What sets the F7N apart is its built-in Wi-Fi and GPS functionality. Connect seamlessly to your smartphone via Wi-Fi to view and download footage on the go, making it easier than ever to share your road trip highlights. The integrated GPS ensures precise location tracking, allowing you to monitor your route and speed with accuracy. Safety meets convenience with the REDTIGER F7N 4K Cam. Protect yourself and your vehicle with this top-of-the-line dual-camera system. Don't miss out on this must-have accessory for every car enthusiast. Upgrade your driving experience today. Number 4. Nexar Beam GPS Dash Cam. Meet the Nexar Beam GPS Dash Cam, your reliable road companion that ensures your safety while capturing every detail in stunning HD quality. This sleek and compact dash cam is designed to fit seamlessly on your vehicle's front windshield. With its high-definition front dash cam, the Nexar Beam records every moment of your journey with exceptional clarity. Whether it's an unexpected incident or a picturesque drive, you can trust the Nexar Beam to capture it all. But what sets the Nexar Beam apart is its built-in GPS. This feature not only provides precise location tracking, but also enables you to review your routes and driving speed with pinpoint accuracy. Plus, with the Nexar app, you can easily access and share your recorded footage right from your smartphone. Invest in your safety and security on the road with the Nexar Beam GPS Dash Cam. Drive with confidence, knowing that you have a reliable eyewitness on board. Upgrade your driving experience today. Number 3. Vantrue 4K Cam. Introducing the Vantrue N4, the ultimate solution for comprehensive road safety monitoring. With 3 high-resolution cameras, including a 4K front camera and dual 1080p interior and rear cameras, the Vantrue N4 provides complete coverage for your car. Equipped with advanced Sony sensors, the N4 captures crisp and clear footage day or night. Whether you're concerned about accidents, theft, or passenger behavior, this dash cam has you covered from all angles. Notable features include loop recording, D-sensor technology for automatic collision detection and recording, and parking mode for 24/7 surveillance. The built-in GPS accurately tracks your vehicle's location and speed, providing crucial data for insurance claims or legal matters. Stay connected with Wi-Fi and the Vantrue app, which allows you to view, download, and share footage directly from your smartphone. With its user-friendly interface, the Vantrue N4 makes monitoring and protecting your vehicle a breeze. Don't compromise on safety. Upgrade to the Vantrue N4 3-channel 4K Cam and drive with peace of mind. Your road safety is our top priority. Number 2. Garmin Dash Cam. Meet the Garmin Dash Cam, your trusted witness on the road. This sleek, high-performance dash cam is designed to capture every moment with unparalleled clarity and precision. Boasting crystal-clear 1080p HD resolution, the Garmin ensures that you never miss a detail. Whether it's recording breathtaking scenery or capturing crucial evidence in the event of an accident, this dash cam delivers exceptional video quality. Equipped with a wide-angle lens, the Garmin Dash Cam offers a broad field of view to monitor the entire road ahead. Its built-in GPS records important data such as your speed and location, providing valuable information for insurance claims and legal purposes. With features like automatic incident detection and voice control, the Garmin is designed to make your driving experience safer and more convenient than ever before. Plus, The dash cam's compact design seamlessly blends with your vehicle's interior. Choose the Garmin Dash Cam and drive with confidence, knowing that you have a reliable eyewitness by your side. Upgrade your road safety today. Number 1. Rove R24KH Cam. The Rove Dash Cam is your ultimate road companion, designed to capture every moment of your journey with precision and clarity. With an impressive UHD 2160p resolution, this top-of-the-line dashboard camera ensures that you don't miss a single detail. The Rove R24K is equipped with built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, making it easier than ever to stay connected and monitor your trips. You can access and download footage directly via your smartphone, ensuring you have important evidence right at your fingertips. The GPS feature provides accurate location tracking and speed data, ideal for both personal reference and insurance claims. Its 150 degrees wide-angle lens offers a comprehensive view of the road ahead, helping you capture not only accidents, but also stunning landscapes during your travels. Upgrade your driving safety with the Rove R24KH Cam. With its user-friendly 2.4 LCD screen and exceptional features, this dashboard camera is a must-have for every car enthusiast. Drive confidently and capture life's moments in stunning 4K detail. Get yours today. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.